All alone, my pet? Wait till you taste one, dearie. Go on, go on. Have a bite. I'll share a secret with you. This is no ordinary apple. It's a magic wishing apple. One bite, and all your dreams will come true. There must be something your little heart desires. Old Granny knows a young girl's heart. Her breath will still, her blood congeal. Now I'm the fairest in the land.
Please, don't be afraid. The ghosts here are quite friendly.
Oh yes, quite friendly indeed. One might say they're simply dying for you to join them.
It's been such a long time since we've had visitors.
Yes, and an even longer time since we've had survivors.
Play a game. I call it fun with electricity. Make yourself comfortable. You're going to be here for a while.
So you want to look into your future? Be careful what you wish for. While I see the promise of great fortune and wealth dancing around you, there is one particular trait that stands out above the rest. Bad luck. Let me cast my seeing eye into the foggy mists of your future. Oh, very interesting. Here I see the promise of love, and here it shows the chance of fortune. But alas, you have only bad luck. $5, please. The cards have been dealt, guided by the great beyond. This says you could have everything your heart desires. A loving family, wealth, and health. But alas, you are a fool and your own worst enemy. You shall have none of it, poor thing. I tell the fortunes for those who seek it. I have been lucky enough to portend fame, wealth, happiness to most. In your case, though, it appears a cloud of bad luck is headed your way. Better settle your affairs, sweetie.